If you are an aspiring author, playwright, or screenwriter, you need to hear this. Your work is not limited to the projects that you're currently writing. It includes all of your public-facing writing. So that includes whatever comments you put on social media. As a writer, your job is to create, is to come up with new and original ways to say old things. But being snarky on the internet or negative, that's not original. You're not the first person to do that. You're only the last. You're the most recent person to do that. And so by putting that out there, you're telling the world that I am not a creator, but even worse, you're telling yourself. Even if your profile is anonymous, like on TikTok or on Reddit, then who's going to hear it? No one's going to know you're saying it. The only person who's going to know you're saying those negative things is you. And when you start saying it, it becomes easier to say it over and over again. And then you're the one hearing it. You're the one saying, I am not a creator. I'm someone who tears down. Because creators make things, right? Snarky people just tear them down. You don't want to be that person. I post all these videos, and 99% of the comments I get are wonderful and very grateful. And then there's always one person who has to say something mean and snarky, and that's not going to hurt me. I'm already a successful TV writer. Unless you invent a time machine, you cannot take that away. So who's it hurting? It's hurting you, because you're the one who's saying, I am not a creator. This is what I do, I tear down. And man, that just gets into your soul. You don't want to be that. Sometimes people leave these wonderful, glowing, sweet comments. They thank me and they're grateful. Being in gratitude and showing humility, that's the sign of a creator. We don't need to worry about the people who leave comments like that. You want to be like that. We don't need to worry about those people. Those people, regardless of whether or not they will sell anything in their future, they have already succeeded. They are already creators. Be like those people. Be careful of what you put out there, because it really has a way of coming back. For more on what it's like to be a TV writer and how to stay in gratitude and be creative, you can follow me here and like and subscribe, and on Instagram @MichaelJaminWriter.